Hi, let us now study addition of sign numbers. Rule number 1. To add two numbers having the same sign, we simply copy the sign and add the numbers. We have here negative 4 plus negative 2. We simply copy the sign, that is negative. 4 plus 2 is 6. Negative 1 plus negative 3, copy the sign, and then add the numbers. 1 plus 3 is 4. Positive 5 plus positive 2, that is simply positive 7. Negative 2 plus negative 7, copy the sign, that will become negative 9. Positive 3 plus positive 1, that is positive 4. Positive 2 plus positive 6, that is simply positive 8. We have here negative 5 plus negative 4, copy the sign, that will be negative 9. I hope you got it. Rule number 2. In addition of sign numbers, to add two numbers having different signs, copy the sign of the bigger number and subtract the numbers. So we're going to copy the sign of the bigger number, and then instead of adding, we're going to subtract the numbers. Okay, we have here negative 4 plus positive 12. 12 is bigger than 4. And the sign of 12 is positive. Therefore, the answer must be positive. And then we're going to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. 12 minus 4 is 8. Okay, so the answer is positive 8. Negative 5 plus positive 4. 5 is bigger than 4. And the sign of 5 is negative. Therefore, the answer is negative. And then subtract. 5 minus 4 is 1. Therefore, the answer is negative 1. 6 plus negative 1. 6 is bigger than 1 and 6 is positive. Therefore, the answer is positive. 6 minus 1 is 5. The answer is positive 5. Negative 7 plus positive 4. Negative 7 is bigger than 4. Then the answer must be negative. 7 minus 4 is negative 3. Negative 8 plus positive 12. 12 is bigger than 8 and 12 is positive. Therefore, the answer is positive. And then subtract. 12 minus 8 is, okay, that is 4. 10 plus negative 7. 10 is bigger than 7 and the sign of 10 is positive. The answer will be positive. 10 minus 7 is 3. The answer will be positive 3. Negative 12 plus positive 18. 18 is bigger than 12 and 18 is positive. The sign will be positive and then subtract. 18 minus 12 is positive 6. I hope you got it. Thank you.